Hello everyone. In the EDTP 678 class, this video will provide you with the directions on how to convert your lesson study that you have filmed and show you how to convert it to a format that you can then upload it into LiveText. If you have never done a conversion of a video file, I can assure you this is very, very simple to do. And I'm going to show you how simple it is. The problem is that there is no standard for video on the web that all manufacturers agree upon. The web likes an MP4 format, and that's what we're going to convert to today. The camera that you use to film yourself is a proprietary format called MOD, which our LiveText does not understand what that is. The other problem is that it makes a file way too big for LiveText to be able to upload it. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. I'm going to put my SD card into my computer. I am going to go to Computer, and I'm going to look for the Canon, because that is the card. It was formatted on a Canon camera. I'm going to double click on that, and I'm going to click on where it says SD Video, and then I'm going to click on PRG001. Now, when my videos come up, this computer has already had videos open in VLC, so it puts this little road cone, I don't know how else to describe it, next to it, indicating that that is the program that it knows to use. If you have never used VLC before and you have put your card in, you want to right-click on that file, come down to where it says Open With, and then select VLC Media Player. What it will do then is it will launch it, and then it remembers that that's what it's supposed to use. You cannot use Windows Media Player to do this. It just doesn't have the capacity to convert files. So I will have in the directions in the announcement about this a link that will take you to where you can download VLC. It's free. And install it on your computer. So I'm going to say open it in VLC Media Player. It'll take it a second, and then it will come up. And once it comes up, I can preview it to make sure that I actually have something there. You get this little message, you can just say continue. Basically, it's making sure that it's saying that things are okay. And now I'm ready to do a conversion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Media, and I'm going to come down here to where it says Convert. Let me turn the file off that's running. I'm going to go to Media, Convert/Save. I need to add the file into here. So I'm going to go through the same process that I just went through. Computer, Canon, SD Video, PRG001. This is my movie, and I'm going to open it. Okay, we've now located the movie. We're going to click on Convert Save. And as you can see, it understands that this is the format that it wants to save to. Down here, I'm going to click on Browse. And now I'm ready to name my file. So I'm going to name my file my name. so that it's A, easy to find, but also it indicates what it's about. And I might want to go ahead and put teaching in there as well. So I've got Steve Swan Teaching as my file name. I'm going to go to Desktop because it's easy to find. And I'm going to say Save. And now I'm going to tell it to start. So what it's doing is it's taking that MOD file and it is converting it over to an MP4 file. Doesn't take it too long. And as you can see down here, it has told me that it is 13 minutes, 19 seconds. And it tells me that it's 418 megabytes big. We are fine as far as LiveText goes. All right, now let's go find our video. It should be here on our desktop. And here it is. It's as simple as that, folks. Now, how do I get this into LiveText? Well, we bring up LiveText. Now, when I look at LiveText, it looks different than when you look at LiveText. But basically, the idea is the same. And I'm using an assignment from one of my courses because obviously I'm not in your course. But essentially, all I'm going to do is I'm going to either find where it says to upload a file, or in this particular instance, I'm going to edit, and when I do that, it allows me to see where I can do a file attachment right here. And so I'm going to go edit, and I'm going to upload a new file, browse, and I'm going to go to my desktop where my video is sitting. That is called Steve Swan Teaching. I'm going to locate that, and I'm going to open, and I'm going to let LiveText do its thing. Now, something to be aware of. As LiveText will upload the file here in just a few minutes, it then goes into a process where it is making the file available, and as long as it says that it is completed, upload is completed, you can walk away. And then you save and finish. There you go, folks. That is all there is to it for creating an MP4 file of your incredible teaching that you have done for your class. As I said, I will put the link to the VLC download if you want to do this on your home computer. The ERTC has by default VLC installed on every machine in the ERTC. So if you need a place to come work, you can come in here and work. Thank you for your attention. Good luck with your video conversion. As always, if you're having trouble, you can track me down. I am just a text away at 502-457-2937. If you send me a text about this process, throw your name in there so I know who I'm talking to. And you can text me at any time at 502-457-2937. Thanks again.